Hey guys, Rubberx777. This video is going to be on my LEGO custom lightsaber hilt for Darth Sidious. So yeah, hope you guys like the video. Enjoy! So for this lightsaber hilt, this is another easy one to make. So just grab any old lightsaber hilt and just paint it gold. You can do two of them because Darth Sidious has two gold lightsabers, because his lightsaber hilt's from the best materials out there because he's so rich and he is the emperor of the galaxy, I guess, at one point in time. So yeah, that's about it, guys, for this custom lightsaber hilt video. So let's end this video off here, guys. Thanks guys for watching another video. Tell me in the comments if you want to make me to make any other hilt customs. But other than that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks guys for watching.